Greetings, fam. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. I'm only talking about making money online, generational wealth, business credit. If any of that interests you, please make sure to share, like, subscribe. But today, I'm talking about the crypto. I want to talk about the free $50 USD worth of MCO you get when you go to crypto.com. I'm going to give you some clarity on it. I'm also going to talk about staking and how that's going to lead to being the new credit with cryptocurrencies. Okay, they already have Visa cards. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on my crypto.com. All right, so what I want to do is actually going to click on this middle button down here at the bottom. All right, then I'm going to click on wallet at the top left, and when I go here, I'm going to see that I have all the different type of coins that are available on this platform. But what I want to do is talk about the MCO. All right, and just to get a little more insight on crypto, when you use fiat money to purchase crypto, you're not really purchasing it. All you're doing is exchanging it. All right, the same way if you go to Canada and get Canadian dollars, or Mexico and get pesos, or go get euros or yen or anything like that, all you're doing is exchanging the types of currencies. This is just a digital currency. That's all it is. Okay, all right, so MCO is tied to the crypto.com platform. All right, and you can see here, if I look at the top, it says I have $50 USD worth, which equates to about $12.25 12.25 worth of MCO. All right, so you can see currently at this time it's $4.17 per MCO. You see right here it says $4.17 USD. Okay, all right, and so if we see at the sign up bonus here, if I click on unlock now where it says 12.25 MCO, which is there's the $50 that I got when I signed up for it. But I'm going to click on unlock. All right, I was like, wow, okay, so I'm going to click on unlock now. And it's pretty much told me that, let me go back here just for clarity purpose so you all can see that. Okay. It says receive a $50 USD worth of MCO as a new user. Okay. So if I give you my referral link, you're going to get a $50 as well. But we won't receive the $50 until what we have to do is go in here and stake the MCO. So as I was saying before, it's similar to a CD account. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here and unlock now. You're going to hit unlock now, and I'm going to click on view. Okay, so I can go break down these cards. So this card is going to be a free card. Okay, you're not allowed to stake, but you get 1% MCO back on all your spending. Okay, it's a Visa accept everywhere, right? So this next level is the one we're really going to talk about staking and get some clarity on some things here. It's the Ruby card. All right, so we've seen to get the $50 worth of MCO, 50 USD dollars worth of MCO, we have to come over here and stake 50 MCO. So that's where the confusion comes in. All right, so 50 MCO is not $50 worth of USD USD. So let me actually break this down for you. We just seen that it was $4.17 per MCO, right? So you just seen it here. So $4.17 times 50, okay, is about $208.50 at this time, okay? So roughly $210, $208.50, all right? So that means in order to get this Ruby card, which actually comes with 2% back on all your spending, 100% back on Spotify, which means that you're going to get Spotify for free, all right? No monthly fee, no annual fee, no delivery fee. And you can see right here, it says purchase and hold 50 MCO tokens for 6 months to receive Ruby Steel card. So that means you're going to actually get the 50 MCO tokens, all right, hold them for 6 months. You're going to accumulate interest on them, all right, and they're still always there for you to use. So it'll be pretty much just like putting $210 in a savings account or a CD account, something like that, for 6 months, letting it accumulate interest. And if MCO continues to build like it does based on crypto.com and the platform, and us moving into this age with getting visas, then the value of MCO should actually go up. Okay, all right. So what you see right here, and I just clicked on learn more. MCO token purchase required. Purchase and hold 50 MCO for 6 months. Afterwards, you can withdraw your MCO and continue to use it. Enjoy your card with no annual fee. All right, so pretty much to stake with this card, all right, which I say is just like a CD account. Imagine like a CD account. You're staking 50 MCO, which would at this point in time is about $210 worth of USD, and you actually get some benefits. But if you want to get this card without staking, you only get 1% cash back, and you don't get the 100% back or the free Spotify. All right, the next level up. all right, which would be the Jade Green or the Royal Indigo card, all right. So if you're gonna get this card, right, it allows you to get 3% back on everything you spend. Get Spotify and Netflix 100% pretty much free, all right. You get 6% back MCO stake rewards, okay. All right, and you get you can go to the airport lounges. All right, let's scroll up here. To get this card, you're gonna actually need 500 MCO tokens for 6 months. So we go over here, 500 rather than 50. So we know we're just adding another zero. So it's gonna be roughly $2,000. So say 500 times $4.17 is $2,085. Okay, so that means roughly if you get 500 MCO, you're going to be staking it for 6 months. Now keep in mind, you see this 6% right here, okay? So, the banks don't tend to give you that much. So just projecting where MCO will go in the next 6 months, it's just similar to, like I said, CD or a savings account, but just with more interest accumulated on it, all right? So that's something you can do there. So I know a lot of us use Spotify, Netflix. You might say $2,000 is a lot of money, where you're not spending the money or the crypto. You're staking it. You're just putting it there and you're letting it accumulate interest, okay? So this may be, I'm not a financial advisor and I can't tell you what to do, but this may be a better place to actually put some of your fiat money if you have a bunch of money in the banks. This may be a safe avenue to diversify your currencies and your assets, all right? All right, let's go to the next level up. Look at this card right here. Tell me this doesn't sound good to you. Free Spotify, free Netflix, and free Amazon Prime. For those of you to use, I know everyone may not use it, but a lot of us use streaming, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, all right? You get 4% back on everything that you spend. All right, you get airport lounge plus 1 guest. You get 8% on MCO stake rewards, 8% on the MCO staking, okay? You get extra earnings in crypto, okay? You get 10% back and an Expedia. And then I just want to show you the difference between without the stake. Without the stake, those are the privileges. Airport lounge and 1.75%. So it's not that great. Let's go see right here what it actually costs. What it actually takes to get this card. So it says purchase and hold $5,000 MCO. I keep saying dollars. Purchase and hold 5,000 MCO tokens for 6 months to receive white icy card. Okay, so we know that. And the last one was 500, so we pretty much know this is going to be about 20,000 USD dollars. Okay, here goes the big bottle shot collar cards of all cards. It's actually obsidian black, and these cards are metal. So you're talking about, you remember the black card? This is the new black card right here. 5% cash back. 5% back on everything you spend. Spotify, Netflix, and Prime. Free airport lounge plus 1 guest. 8% MCO stakes. 10% back on Expedia and Airbnb. 2% extra earnings in crypto. This is a boss card. So my goal is going to be to get this card. And you probably can guess how much is it to get this card. Okay, so it says purchase and hold 50,000 MCO. So we already know it's about 200,000, but we'll just do the math anyway. Times 4.17, boom, $208,500 to get this card. All right. So that means if you actually put 200,000 in, you're going to be for 6 months you're going to be staking and getting a percentage back. So all right, let's see how you get this card. What's with this card? You can get the card without staking, okay? But it still requires you to purchase a whole MCO for 6 months. So you might as well stake, But yeah, I just wanted to give you some more clarity. I'll go ahead and cut this off here and let you know that this is going to be the new wave. It's here right now. I actually did a video when I was talking about Bitcoin in the hood, just showing you that cryptocurrency is coming. It's here. All right, Visa is looking for programmers from Ethereum and a couple of other different types of cryptos, as well as JP Morgan. There's different things, and even like I said before, if you're first time here, you may not heard me say it, but there are actually 2 crypto coins that are backed by the USD. It's going to be USD Tether. And then you got the USDC, the United States Digital Coin, all right, which is a 1-to-1 value, which is based on the Ethereum anyway. So make sure to look at that. Go to coinmarketcap.com to see the top 100 cryptocurrencies. All right, you can go to crypto.com and you can just get this free card. Okay, if you don't want to stake, I get it, but just be aware. And like I say with anybody, I understand that everything may not be for people. People may not get it, but look, the world is over 90% digital. You're used to having the Cash App anyway. That's a digital wallet. There's a coin shortage going on, and people aren't accepting money. They're already conditioning us, all right, to get used to being in this digital age, as we really might be behind in this country when it comes to things like that. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just saying make the best informed decision you can. Okay, if you do have fiat money or money in the bank that you want to make some do some things with, okay, just look into some stuff. Actually get stuff that's going to have value and hold its value. Some people go get gold, silver. Some people get land. Some people get real estate. Some people start businesses, and other people actually are exchanging some of their funds for crypto, so they can actually be using the most optimal form of currency in this digital age. So as I continue to grow and learn a little bit more about it, I'm gonna share it with you. At minimum, you can go to crypto.com, and I just showed you about staking, so you can get that. But if you have any questions, I'll make another video on this topic just to provide some more clarity for you, okay? So I'll see you next time. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?